Today we'll talk about vertically opposite angles. So in the previous video I have explained you till linear pair. Now vertically opposite angles are when two lines intersect, the angles which do not have a common arm are called vertically opposite angles. For example, you see the figure given here. Here angle AOC and angle BOD. This angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle BOC, this angle, and angle AOD, this angle, these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. Alright, one thing you have to keep in your mind is that vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. That means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is also equal to this angle. Alright, now let us come to exercise 26.2. Now here you see in exercise 26.2 the first question, find the complement of the following. Now complement means in the previous video I have explained to you about complementary angles and supplementary angles. So complementary angles are two angles which when you add them it becomes 90 degree. So one is given, the other you have to find out. Alright, now this how we will do is, let the complement be x. According to question, 60 degree plus x equals to 90 degree because it is complement. Therefore, x equals to 90 degree minus 60 degree equals to 30 degree. Alright. Similarly, for 32 degree also it will be same. Next, you see number C, 2/9 of 180 degree. Now 2/9 into 180 degree, let us do 2 by 9. So when we do it, it becomes 40 degree. That means one angle is 40 degree. We have to find out the other angle. So let the complement be x. So according to question, 40 degree plus x is 90 degree. So x equals to 90 minus 40 equals to 50 degree. Alright. Next question is about find the supplement of. Now supplement means two angles when you add them it becomes 180 degree. Alright. So you see 106. Let the supplement be x. So according to question, 106 plus x equals to 180 degree because it is supplement. So x equals to 180 minus 106 degree equals to 74 degree. Similarly, for 95 degree also we will do it in the same manner. Next comes 3 by 8 of 240 degree. So at first we will find out 3 by 8 of 240. So it becomes 90 degree. So let the supplement be x. According to question, 90 degree plus x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree equals to 90 degree. Okay. Next you see question number 3. Identify each of the following pair of angles as complementary and which are supplementary. So two angles are given. You have to find out whether they are complementary or supplementary. Alright. Now you see number 1, 70 degree and 20 degree. When we add 70 and 20 we get 90 degree. So 90 degree means what? That means 70 degree and 20 degree are complementary angles. Okay. Next you see 2 by 3 of right angle and 2 by 3 of straight angle. So at first we'll find out how much is this right angle and how much is 2 by 3 of straight angles. 2 by 3 into 90 degree. So ultimately after the calculation it is 60 and here after the cancellation it becomes 120. So we have 60 degree and 120 degree. Now when we add say 60 and 120 we get 180 degree. That means what? These two angles, that is 2 by 3 of right angle and 2 by 3 of straight angle, they are supplementary angles. Okay. Next you see question number 5. Angles forming a linear pair are given below. Okay. Find the measure of the angles. Okay. So this how we will do. 7x and 3x. Okay. Now we know sum of linear pair is 180 degree. I have explained you earlier. That means 7x plus 3x is 180. This becomes 10x equals to 180. So x is 180 by 10 equals to 18 degree. Therefore, the angles are 7x. That means 7 into 18 because x we have got 18. So it is 126 degree and 3x equals to 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. X and y when x equals to 3y. Now x plus y equals to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Here x equals to 3y, that means in place of x I can write 3y also. So 3y plus y equals to 180, that becomes 4y equals to 180, or y is 180 by 4 equals to 45 degree. Therefore the angles are y equals to 45 degree and x equals to 3y equals to 3 into 45 degree equals to 135 degree. Alright, next is number C, P and Q when P is equal to Q. Now sum of linear pair is 180, so P plus Q equals to 180 degree, or P plus P equals to 180 degree. In place of Q I have written P because P is equal to Q, it is already given. So P plus P means 2P equals to 180, or P is 180 by 2 equals to 90. Therefore P we have got 90 and Q equals to P, it is already given, so Q is also equal to 90 degree.